Hello, in this video I would like to explain how to use your calculator when you ask to find the sample variance and standard deviation for a set. Here we use numbers 15, 9, 5, 12, 9, 21, 4, 24, 18, and we will do everything on our TI-84 calculator. First of all, you remember you need to enter the data set in your calculator, and for that we will use our TI-84 emulator here. So to do so, you click on Stat and Enter, and you already have access to lists where your data could be entered. So if your list is not empty and has some data from previous example, make sure you cursor up to the name of their list and use the button Clear. Do not use Delete. And we're ready to enter the current numbers. 15, enter. 9, enter. And so on. You enter all numbers. Once the numbers are in the list, like we have here, you're ready to calculate the standard deviation. For that, we go Stat. Now we choose Calc and one variable Stats. So Enter. Here we have to tell our calculator where the data in the list L1. So great, if it were something else in this place, you use second 1 to have list L1, second 2 to have list L2. Definitely you can use any of those lists available. So Enter. Frequency list we don't use for this particular example because each number we enter it separately. Frequency list you will use for group data. And now we're ready to calculate. You calculated the mean. For this set, the mean is 13. You calculated the sample standard deviation, what we need, because we are about sample variance. And we calculated the population standard deviation sigma if we were asked about the population. But since we are talking about the sample variance, we will use 7 as the answer for standard deviation. So our standard deviation S is 7, and as you remember, the sample variance is S squared or 7 squared, and it will be 49. So we answered this question. Again, please pay attention that the calculator does not provide you with the number for the sample variance. Sample variance is the square of a standard deviation.